It's lovely hair, but I'm always just pulling it back in a ponytail. I don't like it around my face. It's heavy.
You've got a beautiful thick hair.
Oh no!
I mean, it's
I know.
beautiful. I mean, it's really nice and thick.
Yeah.
Which is great.
I know.
Because these days you don't see, even younger people, they don't have this hair anymore,
Oh.
which is great. So what do you want to do? You said you want to cut it a little bit.
Oh yeah, right here. Yeah, like that photo.
Have you had it short before?
Oh, many years ago. Yeah.
Okay. Why you're saying you want to cut it short?
I just want something softer around my face now because I'm pulling it back and it looks so severe, like that.
Okay.
If you think that would suit me, my face shape. There's so much hair, very thick.
Yeah, but it's not going to go away.
No.
It's just going to be, the shorter you go, this hair is going to become a problem.
Okay.
One of the main reasons, how old if you don't mind?
73.
73, okay. One of the main reasons, older women, they wear the hair short, not because they're old.
No.
Let me tell you this.
Yeah.
It's a progress that they go through it during their life. Then they end up with damaged and short and over-processed hair.
Yeah.
And the hair start getting thinner on the top, so it makes sense to go short.
Okay.
Because whenever you start having not much hair on the top and the hair is just bulky around the ears and the back, it makes sense to go short.
Shorter.
When the hair in general becomes too thin, it makes sense to go short.
Okay.
When the hair becomes over-processed, it makes sense to go short. But when you have a thick, beautiful hair like this, regardless of your age, the shorter you go, it becomes a problem.
Oh.
So if you think this is too much work just to pull it back and put in a ponytail, just wait till it's short. It's going to become very difficult to manage.
Okay.
Because your thickness at the top is actually quite good too. Like if you tell me, okay, my hair is quite thick and bulky at the back, but I have not much hair here, I'll tell you, okay, let's chop off the whole back,
Okay.
and at least we'll feel like the top it's not far away.
Fine.
There's no imbalance in the distribution of the density.
Okay.
But you do have a beautiful thickness everywhere. You have your head sticking out at the back, which means as well, the shorter you go, the hair is going to really hang at the back. Usually when the hair is really thick on the sides, I don't even do much rounded shape. This is a trick, and you do have that curve over here,
Yes.
which means the hair all of it will curve inward toward your face.
Yeah.
And the head is a little bit flat on the top. So you'll end up with bulky hair sticking out on the sides and still look flat on the top.
Could be a problem.
You'll end up pulling the hair back in a ponytail,
No.
exactly what you're doing now. The only difference that your ponytail will be, instead of long, will be short.
Yeah.
That's the only difference. Trust me, she will not end up with leaving the hair out. She's gonna end up pinning it back, putting a ponytail, exactly what she's doing now. The only difference, the hair ponytail will be a short ponytail.
Yeah.
So we can go toward maybe the shoulder length. If it's too much hair for you to handle, it's an option. I can go to the shoulder length and introduce a little bit of layers on the top to give you a little bit of movement, so this hair, the tangle in the hair gets less. That would work. Because the only way for your hair to be easier to manage is trying to remove the challenge in the hair, which is the dryness and the tangle. Because the thickness will be there.
Yeah.
Do we make the thickness as a problem by going short? Yes. So let's keep the thickness in our side by not going too short. And let's eliminate the dryness on the ends and the tangle that's coming from the top over processed. Then you might feel like, okay, you didn't lose your long hair, still manageable. You could still do it in a ponytail whenever you want. The damage and the tangle is gone half. And if we do the anti-frizz treatment, we can make it super silky too.
Lovely.
Then it's gonna be easier to manage. And when you leave it open,
Yeah.
you're not gonna feel too much.
Okay.
I like it long. What do you feel like? Why you want to go short? Just because you want it easier to manage?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Yeah. There's so much hair, very thick.
Yeah, but it's not going to go away.
No.
It's just going to be, the shorter you go, this hair is going to become a problem.
Okay.
And you see this is how it curves here?
Yeah.
This whole chunky hair on the side is going to curve as well.
Yeah.
You see my point? If you want something happening at the front, usually with your hair thickness at the front,
Yeah.
even if I don't do very aggressive
Grading down there.
rounded shape, I can do a bit of face framing, but with a thin area.
Yeah.
So usually the face framing has to come only from here,
Okay.
only from this part,
Right.
the face framing.
Yeah.
It doesn't come from the sides. The shorter I go with the sides, it's gonna look very choppy. It's gonna hang, and because the hair is being lightened, you're gonna feel like it's all over the place. So leaving the length on the side is good, but this part here we can work on it.
Something around the face.
Just but it's not
Yeah.
much. I mean,
No.
very minimal.
Yeah. So
and
if I decide to pull it back,
You can
I
leave.
still have the
Yeah, you
soft
can
bits
leave.
out.
You can have
Yeah.
some of those bits
Yeah.
here. So this
Yeah.
is an option.
Yeah, that's an option. Yeah. Sounds good.
You don't want to be trying to create. You don't want to be trying to fix a problem, then you create a much bigger problem. You don't want to be trying to make it easier to manage, and it becomes impossible to manage, and there's no way to put it down. It's going to be always up in a ponytail.
Yeah.
Even shoulder length for me to here, usually it doesn't sound like a good idea. I'm suggesting this, but personally I'm not even convinced about it, because all the thickness, instead of being distributed through the length, is going to be squeezed over here. So you're going to tell me you feel like it's, so I wouldn't take more than
Oh,
this much.
only that much.
Only this much. I'm going to give you more layers at the back. I will give you more layers on the top,
Yeah.
the crown and the back, not much layers on the front.
Okay.
Just notice what I'm saying. The layers will be happening at the back and the crown, and gradually they will fade till there's no layers at the front.
Okay.
Then what takes over at the front is a little bit of rounded shape with a little bit of face framing.
Yeah.
So it's a very subtle change. We combine it with the anti-frizz treatment,
Yeah.
and we'll discuss the color. Then it should be good to go.
Okay.
You need to, if you need to do anything to get your hair more manageable, you have to slow down on the amount of highlight you're doing.
Okay.
They're doing highlight everywhere, and that's not healthy.
No.
That's why hair is becoming tangled and dry everywhere.
Yeah.
And they're doing highlight and color. So now what's happening? Your color between the highlight, you see, it's washing out to orange.
Yes, it is.
When you have a regrowth, this is a freshly done one, I would assume.
About 3 weeks.
Within 2 months, when you have a regrowth, you're going to see a massive line, because the color that they have done for you, it's far away from your natural. And the gray, and the highlight is the quantities everywhere. How much gray percentage do you have?
Oh,
Not much. You don't have much gray.
no.
Yeah, so why you're messing up with your own natural virgin hair? Leave the virgin hair, build a few foils on it every 3 to 6 months. I would try to push for 5 months, I would say.
Okay.
And do not color anymore. So whenever they do highlight, only on the top, the crown, and 1 line or 2 lines at the front hairline, and stop highlighting the inside for 2 years. Like the hair gets extremely healthy and smooth.
Okay.
Then you're gonna tell me, you know what? It's easy to manage even if it's thick. So your issue is thickness and texture.
Okay.
I will not mess up with the thickness, because the more I adjust, the more the thickness will reflect in a negative way on the haircut.
Right.
The texture, I can treat it, but from your end, you'd start changing the way how you approach your roots. And within 2 years, the hair gets healthier and healthier, and you're still carrying a nice, long, manageable hair.
Sounds lovely.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does.
Listen, people, they come to me because I am very brave at chopping off hair. Like, there's no one likes to cut hair more than me. But when it's the right time to cut it. So, but here, it's not the right time to cut it.
Okay.
Because your issue is not in the length. Your issue is beyond the length here.
Okay.
Make sense?
Makes sense. Yeah. Happy with that?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay?
Thank you.
I will give you the breakdown of the price, then we start.
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's good.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Chico te va mi chico, eso no es mi chico, a eso no es mi chico, and now here we go deeper. Chico te va mi chico, eso no es mi chico.
Okay. So I did manage to remove this much.
Yeah.
Not as much as you wanted, but this is a good manageable one, trust me.
Yeah.
At least you still have literally 1.5 inches below the shoulder, because your hair naturally has a little bit of kick to it, and this is when it's not blow dried, it will kick up a little bit. But at least as long it's tying on kind of a little bit below the shoulder, it's more manageable. The minute the thickness starting to reach this level, the bulkiness is going to shift up and sit on the shoulder.
Yeah.
Then becomes a little bit challenging. But what I managed to do, I removed from the top a good amount of the length, so you have now tons of layers. Because this part was all one length, literally. So if your hair was all the way to here, so I almost got all that from it. So this is the dry part that was causing a lot of tangle. So a combination with a good cut on the top, with the treatment, hopefully it will be much easier to manage.
Fine, thank you. Been complimented on my hair all my life from everyone.
Well, that's a good thing.
Yes.
That's one of your main features. Don't get rid of it. Don't you want to keep getting compliments?
Maybe.
Maybe. You look beautiful. Thank you so much for
Thank
your
you.
patience today. You look
Thank you.
great. And thank you for traveling all the way.
That's my pleasure.
It's a pleasure to
Yeah,
see you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.